Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week episode I would like to show you how you change tail lights to Seat Leon 2012. As you can see, there are two parts. One is on the main body of the car and the other is on the hatch or on the tailgate. So you have to open it. Then here inside you have a clamp which normally looks like this one. Then you have to turn it down. As you can see, it has a pin. This has to be under in this upper, and then getting there inside you have this pin, this one over here, which you have to push it, and then you can take all this assemble out like this. You take the bulb light by spinning it, okay, replace it with a new one, spin it, and now I'll go to turn on the light and the blinkers. And everything works perfectly. To put it back, it's quite easy. You just put it here, you push it until you clip it back, like so. That's it. Now you clip this back. And this is it, guys. Now both of the lights should properly work, as you can see. So that was everything. I hope you like it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This has helped me very much to continue. Thank you very much and wish you an absolutely fantastic day. Bye bye.